Hey everyone, welcome back to Matt's Models and More. This is a show dedicated to model making on the automotive side. If you're brand new, welcome in. And if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. And today we've got an awesome subject because one of my sponsors, ZForce Modelworx, dropped some new products, something that I've been working with him on. He's doing all the work, of course, but I just give some input of something that we might want to see that we don't see a whole lot of in the community. So let's not even waste any time. We'll talk about more at the bench. We're going to go straight to the bench right after this. Looking for the best aftermarket parts and accessories for your model? Look no further than MCV Products. Bring your models to life at mcvproducts.net. Hey everyone, welcome back to the bench. As promised in the intro, we're going to go over some products that Ryan at ZForce Modelworx has been working on. And what I love about ZForce is he actually takes information that we give him that we're looking for in the community, things that we may not see from other 3D builders. He actually has the means of going in and creating exactly what we need. And a good example of that is if you watch Irvin from the ARTERAKE. He's been working with him exclusively on some things such as the exhaust, where you can take 3mm solder wire and use them for cutouts or exhaust tips, or even doing like a X-pipe, and these are boreless. You can do borla, and he's got Flowmaster on there. So, and then you've got these where you can make headers. So for a more in-depth review on these, I will put a link in the description for Irvin's at the ARTERAKE. He's got a good video where he breaks that down. So I'll send you over to him for those, because he's been working with Ryan exclusively on those at ZForce. I've been working with Ryan on these, and I will pop up some pictures up here in the corner of the prototype that he sent me. And I started working on it, and here's kind of the ending of it. I contacted him and I said, there's some cows out there, but a lot of the cows are huge for drag racing. And I said, we need something a little slicker, a little low profile, something that once it's painted, you definitely know there's been something done to the hood, but it's not humongous, because a lot of them are. And this is probably not a good example, only because the Monte Carlo is a very long hood, as y'all know, but that still looks really good on there. And here's how they come. He does a great job with his supports, so they come in perfect. He sent me over some more after I did the prototype of this and made it work. And it's easy to do. As you see in these little pop-up screens, you just basically cut your hole out where you want it. You can have it sitting forward more or sitting further back. I like mine to have that look where it's kind of hanging over the cow. I think to me that looks sharp. That's just a nice clean profile. So, he's got some more stuff that we're working on too, some interior stuff, and I'll keep you updated on those. And not only do we have these where it's got the split line down the middle, we also have the slicks. So you can do one without the line. And I got these after I did the prototype, which I didn't mind this one because it already had a body line right there. And I did not go all the way up with it. I thought it would look better if you stopped and then continued back on. So that was just something I did. And I still got some work to do, because on the Monte Carlo, the hood comes with the hood vents. And as you saw in those pop-up clips, I was trying to fill those in with some putty. And obviously this is why we prime, because you can see that there's still some divots in there I need to fix, and I need to fix some more of the underneath because it's got a lot of little pots, and also, you know, my little support that I used for priming it. This was just Vallejo primer, but yeah. So these, it's cool, and he's also working on these. These are available right now on his website. So if you go to his channel right now and you use this code, or his website, I'm sorry, and use this code, you're going to get 10% off of these and the other stuff that he has on there. So you can get the slick, or you can get with the body line, and he's got other things on there like the steering wheels. You'll see those that Irvin worked with him on, and then of course the exhaust. All this, use my code down there and you're going to get whatever he has on site 10% off. And I'm going to keep you updated on the other stuff that we have coming. But it's kind of exciting because he takes our consideration and works with it, and if there's something that needs to be changed, we can give him the input and he'll go in and input it. But these are available right now, so jump on there and get it, and we have more coming. We are going to work on a little bit taller ones. We're going to look at work on some that has more of a bump in the front. So we got some stuff brewing, so definitely follow him on Facebook, and I believe, yeah, Instagram as well. But follow him and go to his website and pick up all these goodies, because he's got a lot more stuff than what I'm just showing you. This is just the latest stuff that we've been working together on. So definitely give him some love, guys. This is a quick video I wanted to put out to thank him for what he does and works with us so well. And we're going to keep on rolling, guys. So until the next time, next product that jumps out, I will of course let you know, and we will throw out a video about it. And that's it for this show. So until next time, keep on rolling.